Welcome to my cooking show. I did it. Now I put this in. I have 2 eggs.
Pull it apart with your fingers. Hit it hard.
And I just bang it, bang it, bang it.
Yeah.
Look, I've got the eggs. They're all up. I can drink it because it's yucky.
Yeah.
Look, it's amazing. Oh my God.
Don't say that.
I'm gonna have to put it in the oven this minute. And I have blueberries. Let's wrap some more. I bought one. We're about to eat cooking. We're about to eat muffins. I am. It's gonna be delicious. Look, I did it.
Good. Scoop another scoop.
We're almost done. Mmm. Look, I did. Sprinkle on top. Put the dirt in here. Now put it in the oven. For giving it in the.
Let me help you.
No, I can do it. No. Put them in the oven. Yummy. Thank you.
You made them. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. Boy, come here. Hey, Muffin.